Block the target and defend key squares. When you're being attacked early in the game, make sure to defend the key threats your opponent has and block them from attacking those squares further. In this example, the best way to stop the checkmate threat on f7 is to block it with g6. If your opponent persists by moving their queen to f3, you could stop them with nf6. This is an example of blocking the target, which is f7. You could also thwart the attack with qf6, an example of defending the key squares. Make sure to block the target and defend key squares. Develop normally and castle. In this position from the Blackburn Gambit, white can obtain a much better position if he castles immediately. This forces black to either exchange on f3 and have less development, or go back to c6. Knight to c6 would allow white to follow with nc3, after which he is castled and has two more pieces out, punishing black's early attack. That is why you should develop normally and castle to survive an early attack or trap. Defend first and don't get greedy. In this position from the Smith-Morra Gambit, after black plays e6 to block the attack on f7, he has much better practical chances than if he takes on b2. That is because he is defending f7 first and still has a pawn advantage, whereas taking would allow black to have two powerful bishops and a target on f7. I'm sure anyone would prefer a safe position a pawn up than a dangerous position 2 pawns up. So, defend first, and don't get greedy.